What's up, everybody? This is Tech G back with another video to help you successfully pass the CompTIA Tech Plus certification exam. So let's get into it. In this video, we'll be discussing the common uses of artificial intelligence. AI is transforming multiple industries by automating tasks, enhancing productivity, and improving user experience. As part of the CompTIA Tech Plus exam, understanding the practical applications of AI is essential. In this video, we'll explore 4 key uses of AI, and that is AI chatbots, AI assistants, generative AI, and AI predictions and suggestions. So let's begin. Our first focus is on AI chatbots, which is one of the most widely used applications of artificial intelligence today. So what are AI chatbots? AI chatbots are programs designed to simulate human conversations. They use natural language processing to understand and respond to users, whether through text or voice. And chatbots can handle various tasks such as customer support, booking services, or answering FAQs. So how do they work? AI chatbots, they rely on the combination of machine learning and natural language processing. Machine learning algorithms help chatbots learn from data and improve over time, while natural language processing, this allows a chatbot to understand human language even when it's expressed in different ways. So here's a basic example of how a chatbot works. So you have the input. So the user types or speaks a query such as, what time does the store close? Then the chatbot processes the input, recognizing keywords like time and store close. And then the chatbot generates a response based on available data, such as the store closes at 7 p.m. And here are some common uses of AI chatbots. So you have customer service. Companies like Amazon or banking institutions use AI chatbots to answer basic questions, track packages, or process transactions without human intervention. It's used in e-commerce. So chatbots assist in recommending products based on user preferences and help in completing purchases. And it's also used in healthcare. So AI chatbots, they provide general medical advice, triage symptoms, or they can schedule appointments. And the key benefits of AI chatbots are as follows. They offer 24/7 availability. So AI chatbots don't need to rest, and they offer continuous services to users. They offer efficiency. They can handle multiple inquiries simultaneously, providing faster responses compared to human agents. And they offer cost savings, so they reduce the need for large customer support teams. Next, let's move on to AI assistants. So you're probably familiar with tools like Apple's Siri or Google's Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and Microsoft's Cortana. So what are AI assistants? Well, AI assistants are more advanced than chatbots, offering a wide range of functionalities such as controlling smart devices, setting reminders, sending messages, or retrieving information from the web. And they are integrated into smartphones, smart speakers, and even cars. So how do they work? So like chatbots, AI assistants rely on machine learning and natural language processing. However, they also use voice recognition and can perform more complex tasks by integrating with different apps, devices, and services. So here's an example of how an AI assistant works. You have voice activation. So the user says a wake word like, hey Siri or okay Google. Then there's the request. So the user asks a question like, what's the weather tomorrow? And then there's a response. The AI assistant processes the query, retrieves weather data, and replies with the relevant forecast. So here are some common uses of AI assistants. They could be used for smart home control. So AI assistants can turn lights on or off, control thermostats, and lock doors through voice commands. They can set up scheduling and reminders. So users can ask assistants to schedule appointments, set reminders, or send calendar invites. And they can retrieve information. So AI assistants, they provide real-time information such as news, updates, sports scores, or travel directions. And some of the key benefits of an AI assistant are convenience. So AI assistants can perform tasks hands-free, making them perfect for multitasking. They offer personalization. They can learn user preferences and tailor responses, such as suggesting routes based on daily commutes. And they offer interactivity. So with voice-based interaction, AI assistants are easy to use, even for individuals who may not be tech savvy. Now let's discuss the growing field of generative AI, which involves the creation of content, whether it's text, images, or even code by AI systems. So what is generative AI? Generative AI uses machine learning models, particularly generative adversarial networks and large language models, to create new original content based on patterns learned from large data sets. And one of the major uses of generative AI is in AI generated code, where AI assists developers by automating parts of the coding process. So here's some examples. You got GitHub Copilot. This is an AI tool powered by OpenAI's Codex that suggests code snippets as developers write. It can handle repetitive tasks like writing boilerplate code, optimizing functions, or even completing entire functions based on simple instructions. And then you have AI code refactoring. So AI tools, they can analyze existing code bases and offer suggestions to refactor code for better performance or readability. And some of the benefits are increased productivity. So by automating tedious coding tasks, AI allows developers to focus on more complex aspects of software development. And then there's error reduction. AI can help catch bugs or suggest optimization that human developers might miss. All right, next let's talk about AI generated content. So generative AI can also create content such as articles, blog posts, images, music, and videos. And some examples are OpenAI's GPT models that can generate text for blogs, emails, or even marketing copy. And then we have another one called DALL-E, and it is a similar AI tool that can create original images based on text descriptions. And some of the benefits, it offers content creation at scale. So AI generated content can help businesses generate more content faster, from social media posts to marketing materials. And then it offers cost efficiency. So using AI to generate content can reduce the need for large teams of writers, designers, or coders. All right, and finally, let's cover how AI is used for predictions and suggestions. AI prediction systems analyze large data sets and use statistical models to predict future trends, outcomes, or behaviors. And some examples are, you have what is called predictive analytics. So businesses use AI to analyze historical sales data to predict future demand, and this helps in inventory management, preventing overstock or stock shortages. It's used in healthcare, so AI models can predict the likelihood of a patient developing a disease based on medical history and genetic data, allowing for early intervention. It's also used in financial forecasting. So AI is used in the finance industry to predict market trends, stock prices, and even potential risks. And some of the benefits include improved decision making. So AI predictions provide data-driven insights that can guide businesses or healthcare providers in making better decisions, and it offers efficiency. So AI can process vast amounts of data more quickly than humans, offering real-time predictions. AI also powers recommendation systems, which are used to suggest products, services, or actions to users based on their preferences and behaviors. And some examples include things like e-commerce. So some sites like Amazon use AI to recommend products to users based on their browsing history, past purchases, and similar users' behavior. It's used in media platforms. Streaming services like Netflix and Spotify use AI to suggest shows, movies, or songs based on the user's viewing or listening habits. It's also used in search engines. So Google uses AI to provide search suggestions based on users' queries and trends, improving the search experience. And some of the benefits are personalization. So AI generated suggestions create a more personalized experience for users, increasing satisfaction and engagement. Another benefit is increased sales and engagement. So recommendation systems are proven to boost sales in e-commerce and keep users engaged in media platforms. All right, so in summary, artificial intelligence is transforming the way we interact with technology, and we've explored 4 common uses of AI. We talked about AI chatbots, and these automate conversations and enhance customer service experiences. We talked about AI assistants. They provide hands-free voice control functionality for smart homes, scheduling, and information retrieval. We talked about generative AI. This automates the creation of code and content, enabling greater productivity in various industries. And we talked about AI predictions and suggestions, and this helps businesses and consumers make data-driven decisions with predictive analytics and personalized recommendations. Now, understanding these AI applications is crucial for anyone pursuing a career in tech, and also for preparing for the CompTIA Tech Plus exam. All right, now let's get into some of this check on learning. So, which of the following is an example of a generative AI application? Would it be an AI chatbot that assists with customer service? Would it be an AI assistant that schedules meetings? Would it be an AI tool that creates original artwork based on user prompts? Or would it be AI software that provides weather predictions? And the correct answer is it will be an AI tool that creates original artwork based on user prompts. So generative AI refers to AI systems capable of generating new content such as text, images, or code based on user inputs. And an AI tool that creates artwork falls under this category. Next question. What is the primary function of AI chatbots? Is it to generate code automatically for developers? Is it to simulate human conversation and provide automated responses? Is it to manage complex data analytics in real time? Or is it to predict future trends in business and finance? And the correct answer is it is to simulate human conversation and provide automated responses. So AI chatbots are designed to simulate human conversation and interact with users via text or voice, usually for customer support or information gathering purposes. And their main function is not to generate code, manage data analytics, or make predictions about trends, but rather to respond to user queries in real time. And the final question. Which of the following tasks would most likely be performed by an AI assistant? Is it writing complex software code from scratch? Is it scheduling meetings and setting reminders for users? Is it generating original music compositions? Or is it analyzing large data sets for business intelligence? And the correct answer is it is used for scheduling meetings and setting reminders for users. So AI assistants like Siri or Google Assistant help with personal tasks such as scheduling meetings, setting reminders, and managing daily tasks. They are not designed for complex tasks like writing code, generating music, or analyzing data sets, which are examples of AI applications such as generative AI or AI-based analytics.